Want full control on which contacts, companies, and deals end up in your segments without having to rely on active filter logic? Then this video is for you. Today we're showing you every way to manually add records to your HubSpot segments, formerly known as lists, including bulk additions in your CRM, single record updates, direct ads from the segment itself, and even automating it through workflows. If you're new here, this is HubSpot Hacks by SimpleStrat. We're a Diamond HubSpot solutions partner that helps sales, marketing, and operations leaders streamline their team's workflows and unleash the full potential of HubSpot. Now let's get started. All right, folks, first things first, you're going to want to log into HubSpot, and then on the left-hand side, go to CRM, and then you'll probably have less objects here than me here up here at the top, but then you'll see segments and lists, and click into it there. I already did another overview video on everything you can do with segments in terms of like analytics, viewing performance, things like that. And I have another video on utilizing active segments. This one's going to be about using static segments and how to add contacts to them manually, and then also through a workflow, which I know can kind of be contradictory, but we have its reasons, we have its use cases. So let's create our segment. So we'll click Create Segment at the top right. And then you want to choose the object. So let's just get rocking with some contacts here and click Next. Now, if you are building an active segment, this is where you want to play with your filters. Again, that's what I showed you in that other video you might want to be checking out. Otherwise, you're just going to add in your title. So we'll call this HubSpot Hacks 2026. Let's just add in powered by SimpleStrat. That's us, your friendly HubSpot partner, and then click Next. So because there's no filters, it'll automatically make it a static segment, and we'll click Save and Process. Now, a couple different ways we can add contacts to this segment. We can come in here and click Actions and Add Contacts. That will actually bring up a whole list of contacts for us to add. This is all test data, so nobody in here is real. That's not a great way to do it, so what I would probably recommend is going into CRM and your contacts. So you could do this a couple ways. One is from this contact view here. I can actually click into a couple different people. So let's do Jessica, we'll do Wendy, let's scroll down, grab some Harry Potter people, Cornelius Fudge, Hermione Granger, and then come up here where there's an option for more and go down to Add to Static Segment. And then you can scroll through them here or just search for your HubSpot Hacks 2026 segment and click to add. That's probably the best way to do it in bulk manually. Another way you can do it, if you hop into, let's find someone to do this with. Let's do Remus Lupin. Into their contact record. On the right-hand side, yours is probably going to be a little bit, be organized a little bit differently than mine. So don't be confused if it looks different, but you will have an area here, if you scroll down carefully to find it, called Segment Memberships, where you can click to manage those segments and see which ones this contact's already in. And then at the top right, click to add to static segment. Again, we'll look for our segment and add it here. There is a way to add people automatically to a segment, and that will be through workflows, which will only be available if you're rocking either a professional or enterprise level hub. So if you don't have that, this won't be available to you. If you do, let's just keep on watching. So we'll click to Automation and Workflows. We'll do Create a Workflow from scratch. And we'll just do Trigger manually. So sometimes people like to do this for webinar signups. They just like to see the steps of them automatically being added to segments instead of using filters and things like that. It's a little bit cleaner. There's other use cases as well, but we're just going to go ahead and build this list of, we'll just do a manual enrollment here. Whatever your triggers are that add people into this workflow, they'll be added here. And then we can just search for action. So we'll search segments. And you can either remove from a segment or add to a static segment. This will only work with static segments. It does not work with active segments. Active segments, those filters are built in directly in the segment. Static ones you can use here in workflows. So here we have the enrolled contact. Again, search for our segment. Click Save, and then just go to Review and turn on this workflow. and then any contacts that go through this automation will be added to your segment. All right, folks, that does it for how to manually add your contacts, or this will honestly work for any other objects like company deals, tickets, any other objects you're working, how to add them to segments manually. Really appreciate you watching. Again, down in the description will be a link to our HubSpot Hacks newsletter to get all of our updates from us and our videos, as well as updates from HubSpot directly to your inbox. Thank you so much for watching, and happy HubSpotting.